Hello everyone. Start off by taking a dishwashing sponge that is new of course and add a rubber band right in the center. Color the edge with yellow and the inside with orange and then make an imprint in the paper. You can repeat this with other colors and add a body. Add some clay as well to make it more decorated. You have yourself butterflies. Next, take a black heart followed by a yellow heart and once again a black and yellow heart. Add some white hearts on the side, add some antenna on top and then add eyes and a cute little mouth. You have yourself a bee. Next, take a blue circular sheet and insert a red circular sheet at one end of it. Add two more semicircular sheets at the top of either side of the sheet and then add two cute little eyes. Connect the claws of the crab to the body. Next, take a cup and then cut it into half and stick it on a sheet of paper. Take some green sheets and then roll it up and then stick this as well into the cup in the sheet of paper. Take some orange peels, cut it up to make petals and stick it on the sheet of paper. Next, take a white sheet of paper and then add grass at the bottom using a green sheet of paper. Make two heads out of paper, add clay at the base to make the bodies and then add hands and legs on this very grass. Add some decorations in the side or balloons. Next, take a cup and then cut off the edges of the cup. Flatten the top end of it and then make strips from the top. After cutting out the strips, insert it into the edge that is right beside it. Once you do this, flatten the curves. Add a little handle on the top. You have yourself a basket. Next, take a white sheet of paper and then fold it over 3 times as such. Then fold over the edges, make it meet at the center and repeat this process until you have a somewhat diamond-like figure. After you achieve the shape of a diamond, fold it over and then make bunny ears out of it. Color the insides and add a face. Next, take a big sheet of paper and then stick 2 of them together to make it even longer. Fold it over the long side and then make strips of cuts all over the sheet of paper. Add tape to the long end. Take a green stem and roll it along the tape that you have stuck on the paper. Roll it to as much of the green stem as you can get and then add leaves to either side. Take a white sheet of paper and add tape to 4 sides of it. Fold it over and make sure that the other side is green. Tape one of the bottom edges and add eyes and a cute little smile onto it along with hands. Add something inside and tape it up. Next, take a circular green sheet of paper and then stick a branch right at the bottom, once again using paper. Add some red flowers to make it more decorative all over the leaves of the tree. Take a purple sheet of paper and then make folds as such. Then fold it over according to the folds and then cut one of the edges and make it curved. After you open it, it should look like the petals of a flower. Stick a circular inside to make the center of the flower. Using green paper, make some leaves for the flower and add a stem as well. Attach the 3 of them by adding some glue. Next, take out the elastic of a mask and then cut out the edges. Straighten out the insides and then cut it out. Add some tape right in the center and then fold it over. Add a stem to the center and make it look like a feather. Next, take a strip of paper and then make it into a circle and then fold it over, sticking the center of it. Repeat this multiple times to make the petals of a flower and add a center and a stem and a cup to the bottom. Thank you for watching.